It feels so good down here.
Food not good.
No, it's not good like that. It's not good like that on here.
It's so nice. Just can't get better with the best. It was so good. But I miss my brother's pizza bits. But that's okay though, I got to see him. In Georgia, the Georgia Dome. Yes. My hair keeps blowing everywhere. Look at my kid. She's so cool. Don't look at me like that. He was all up in my face though. And I'm like, I'm just staring at my phone. And he just stopped next to me. He was like, "You're so sexy." He was like, "Baby, you're so sexy." I'm like, thank you. Stranger danger. Stranger danger. I was like,
I said, what?
She said, what?
like, okay.
She was like,